Sure.
Zabanye for indaba yesikhathi ahlale. Yeah, no, it's fine. Asiqale. So right. Sanibingelela bazalwane egameni lika Jesu. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu namhlanje. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, siyabonga kakhulu. Bazalwane, please do me this favor. Just mention ungibukela ukuphi. Yazi KZN is in the house, Gauteng is in the house, Eastern Cape, Western Cape, Northwest, njalo zonke. Siyabonga kakhulu bazalwane bami. Thank you so much for tuning in. And before we start our show, can you just pray along with us? Ulapho ekhaya. uNkulunkulu Baba, udumo lukufanele. Izibongo zonke ezingezakho. uNkulunkulu wethu namandla kubo bonke uNkulunkulu abakhona ezweni. Asikamboni futhi asoze wazoba khona ongalinganiswa aphinda afaniswe nawe. Ungamandla akho wena ukhandila isikhathi maqede wangalimithwa yiso. Siyakubonga uNkulunkulu ngomsa wakho omkhulu obabazekayo. Nakulezi insuku uNkulunkulu wethu engcwele nje asikukhohlwa. uNkulunkulu wethu namandla usithande singakwazi. uNkulunkulu wethu omuhle saze sakwazi. Siyabonga baba wethu omuhle egameni lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Udumo ke lonke malubuyele kuwe. Asinakho nokuzibonga ngemsebenzi emihle yenzakalayo. Konke uNkulunkulu sikukhomba kuwena. Buhle bakho udumo lonke maliphakame njalo luze kuwe ngegama lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Amen.
Amen.
Mama siyabingelela.
Sawubona Thabani.
Niyaphila?
Yaphila wena unjani?
Yaphila ekugcineni.
Ekugcineni bantu at long last. At long last
Yeah,
yazi ngiyabonga ngicela ukubingelela nabalaleli emakhaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Ngiyabonga for ukuthi ube nami la.
Yes. Mhlawumbe kolangkwana aba mama nabaqala ukubona for the sake of those who are seeing you for the first time, maybe mhlawumbe your introduction nje mama.
Ayike mina igama lami nguzama ngingowakwaNgwenya. Ngizalwa eFosloras ku N3 ngikhulele khona. Abazongibona engikhule nabo bangazi nguEli ngegama lesikolo. Abomakhelane bangazi nguSisi. Labo bangazi ke sengisetertiary sengisebenza bazuzama.
Oh yes. Indawo nendawo inegama layo. Indawo inegama layo.
Yes, angithi yakhumbula kwakuthiwa igama lesikolo. So yazi ukuthi mabakubiza ngegama lesikolo vele bakwazela esikolweni.
Qinisile.
Yeah, bakazi ngegama lesikolo. Yes. Ngiwumama ke wabantwana abayi2, uAmahle ona 19. Reason enza ukuthi ngibe la who went missing when she was 4 years old. And Nosizo ke who is a 15-year-old ofunda grade 9.
Okay.
Okwamanje ke sihlala ke eSouth of Johannesburg ke sasuka eFosloras.
Oh nasini eSouth.
Sasiya eSouth of Johannesburg.
Mama siyabonga kakhulu. Sike sathi ukukhuluma kancane about umntwana waba nomntwana oke walahleka. Nje ngiyakwazi ukulahlelwa umntwana. Nomntwana okwangilahlekela. Last year. Wayephuma esikoleni walahleka from 2. Ngaze ngamthola nga8 ebusuku. Emncane bena last year when bena 4 years.
Same age ka Amahle.
Same age. I was so frustrated kakhulu plus ulahlekelwa umntwana dolobheni so yazi manihlala endaweni kunalenye igang esuka ngaphandle njalo so manje ugcina ungabusazi
Awazi ukuthi
amusaphila because now into vele ungabusa uvela uthi eish angcono ke noma engaseka ngimtholeke.
Yebo ke vele ngifuna iclosure ke phela lapho.
Yes ngisathi ngimthola so I was so worried. So manje uma ngitshela ngestory uthoka walahlelwa umntwana njalo ukuthi I know the pain. Mhlawumbe wakho umntwana ke futhi mina ubeka umfana ke wakho untombazana ulahleka kanjani wakho umntwana?
Uthi okay ngiyabonga.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga. yazi ukuthi siyambonga uNkulunkulu wena Thabani ukuthi in your case it was a short-lived experience. But I'm sure sona leso sikhathi sincane wasizwa. Yeah, you felt it. Angisakhulumi ke ngomama. Loyo phela wayekhala nje into non-stop vele nje. Uyabona? Yeah, so in my case ngizosho ngithi you know sometimes angazi noma ukuba nolwazi kuyinto enhle noma kuyinto engekho yinhle. Because in my case ngo-2008 nga-relocate ngayohlala eNewcastle.
Okay.
Ngisuswa ke idube ezibanga ukuthi my parents bashadana, omunye nomunye had kids esidini lakhe. Now uma sebahlangana kuzalwa mina kulomshado. Now ngo-2003 my parents passed away, both of them 10 days apart. And wonke le inhlaka lezi ezimbili zifuna amafa.
Oh.
And according to them yimi onala mafa abo. Now uyazi ke bantwini abamnyama ukwenza iwill engengakufunda Thabani ukuthi kusebenzela abelungu. Because bona they will not go to traditional doctors. Witchcraft won't be part of it.
Sure.
Now mina sengivunwe umthetho futhi hayi nangento engako ngokuthi nje ngizosala endlini.
Ishmadoda.
Kusho ukuthi ke kwaba ukuthi ke sekuyoba impi ke ezihlahla. Now ekuboneni kwami ukuthi yimi ngedwa, so kulomshado kwazalwa mina ngedwa, so ekuboneni ukuthi vele yimi ngedwa anginabo abantu engizolwa nabo lempi. I decided, you know what, let me relocate ngiyoqala impilo entsha kwenye indawo. Ngoba yona leyo witchcraft vele yayiseyiqalile vele. Mina Thabani kahle ngangingayena umuntu owake waqhashwa kaMlungu.
Okay.
Growing up, I went to study. After matric, I went to the University of Zululand. I came back ngagcina DUT isabizwa ngeTechnikon Natal.
Okay.
I studied food there, and then 97 uma kufuneka kahle ngiphothule my qualification, I came back home.
Okay.
For Sloras abazali basaphila, and I ended up pursuing my gift yokuthi entrepreneurship. And that was when I started to run my business, of which my first company kwakuyi company yokuclean. So now mangi relocate ngiya KZN. Akunanto engizofike ngiyiphesue le because lapha ngimusha.
Okay.
However, abazali bami had a business yokuqhashisa ngezitulo namathende.
Okay.
So because eNewcastle angangeke ngazi umuntu ngafila ukuthi I can't take business labor intensive kanje ngiwumuntu wesifazane ngiyoqala endaweni eforeign uyabona. So ngizoqala ibusiness entsha of which mangifike eNewcastle someone wangi-organizela or wangixhumanisa nefamily yakangwenya eNewcastle, which became my Newcastle family. So sa relocate ke ngino amahle ke ngaleso sikhathi. She's ngo-8 kusho ukuthi wayena 2 ngo-2009 wathena 3 ngo-March, so she was 3.
Okay.
Now mangifike eNewcastle ke ngivula iLocksmith kule ndawo ekuthiwa kuse-Checkers lapha eNewcastle. Uyazi ngangiye ngizwe nje masakhula uzwa abantu abadala bathi umthakathaka akabalekelwa. Uyabona ezinye izinto mawungabeliveli kuzo angithi awunaka ngithi uyalizwa nje legama and awunandaba. Mina ngiyasuka vele ngeNewcastle ngisitshela ukuthi hayi yonke lenkunkuma ngishile eJoburg ngiyoqala impilo entsha le. Ngavula iLocksmith Thabani, guess what, akukaze ukuthenga ngisho isikhiya esisodwa kwi-shopping center lapho engangikhona.
Okay.
Yeah, leyo nto yangidepressa kakhulu. Hayi ngangagive up, ngathi okay ngizovula ibakery manje. Ngayivala iLocksmith ngavula ibakery. Now ibakery sengivula nini? Sengivula ngo-2009 ngoDisemba.
Okay.
Now Amahle njengoba nginaye now ngipregnant a second child
Okay.
from the same father whom I have left at Johannesburg. Now reason I'm having this amahle as pregnant this child, I had this thing yokuthi umshado mina akukaze kube into engake ngayibona ukuthi ngiyigijimise.
Okay.
So I had this thing ukuthi I want to have kids from the same person so that abantwana bam bazoba abantwana bomuntu oyi-one and mhlambe bazothandana. Yabona ungazitholi ukwezimo lezi abantwana bathandani ubaba kalo uyamthengela ubaba kalo akamthengeli. At least makuwombo umuntu oyi-one noma uyabasupporta noma babasupport but baphila impilo eyi-one. So I had that mentality. So now I was pregnant, the child had lo mntana wesi-2 and I knew that man was not going to marry me anyway. So ngibuyile ke sengipregnant sengirana le bakery. I-bakery ayona ibe ngcono ke Thabani. Irane shem ngivule ngoDecember. But ngibe nento ukuthi yazi i-bakery might not run isikhathi eside ngoDecember ngoba abantu babhaka amakhekhe ngithi kumnandi ama families. So vele ngazi ukuthi it will be izorana kahle and then izo slower down. Ngitshela ukuthi mayiqala slower down ngizoyenza ama scones sengizothengisa amakhekhe ukukhavara lobu festive ngithi bese kuvula ikolo ngibuyele esinkweni ngoba into enkulu yabantwana besikolo. Hayi vele kube kanjalo. Kanti ngaleso sikhathi yilesikhathi sekuqala ne load shedding. But abantu bala eSouth Africa I would say babengakabi ngalendlela ababangayo ukuthi hayibo we can't pay electricity singayitholi.
Yes.
So yes affect thina abantu aba owner ama business I require electricity because we process yokwenza isinkwa. Yes, you need ukuthi uyosifaka kwi mixer. You need uyosifaka ku prover i-oven sijuluke lapha yasikhukhumale masisuka lapho sesiyapi sesiye oven. Now makwenze i-electricity maye yahamba any of those stages lenhlama izolimala vele. By the time uyifaka e-oven if le ikhathi azigcinekanga vele usuphuma ne-product engaseseyiyo. So yaqala yenzeka leyo nto Thabani inhlama ichithwa kwakuba ukuthi if amanzi akhona igesi ayikho, if igesi ikhona amanzi awekho. So kuba nje nalezo zinto nje ezinegative nje ezenzakalayo la. Now siyongena ku 2010 now uJanuary. Hayi abantwana engisebenza nabo bathi yazi nzama thina sicela ukuthi usho ukuthi senza njani ngoba siyabona ukuthi izinto azihambi kahle phela manje angisenamani yokubhadala nalabantu Thabani. Hayi mina ngibona ukuthi yazini ngicela sivaleni uJanuary 6 2010. Hayi ke akunandaba ngivale vele ibakery ngihlala uma ngabe Newcastle uyayazi mawuvele eGoli udlule eMajuba Mall.
Yes.
Yayingakakhuli ke ngalendlela engiyibone ngayo last year. Okay. Ngihlala lapho ngirente iflat because engqondweni yami kwakunento ukuthi kuyimali enganginayo ngangingabonanga kuzoba wise ukuthi ngithenge indlu ngingazi ukuthi ngizoyikhokhela ngani. So it's better ukuthi ngirente lendlu and then bese ngenzani ngigenerate income with the maximum money and then I'll be able to buy a house emva kwesikhathi.
Yeah.
Okay. So sihlalela ke eflatini no amahle ke hayi kuthi nge-27 zika January uyakhumbula ke yonke indawo kwakuyibhola phela ulight radio ibhola ulight TV ibhola. I'm not a soccer person angazi nokuthi kwenzakalani. So hayi mina no amahle ke savele sayilalela ngalolo langa ekuphaphameka kwami mhlambe ngabo 9ish 10ish ngoba laliphela ibhola ngabo 10 bese qala iradio ngithi iqhubeka iradio like abokhozi because that was the famous station engangisilalela futhi nangaleso sikhathi being in KZN for that matter. Okay fine hayi manje ngizizwa ukuthi angikho right bese ngifonela usisi loya wefamily yami yase Newcastle le engiyenzile.
Okay.
Ngimfonele wayesebenza night shift. Ngimfonele ngimtshela ukuthi hayi man angizizwa kahle. Abesethi kimi obesethi ukulabor ngithi I don't think ukuthi ngilabor pain angikho right nje angifili kahle. Abesethi yena okay mamela ke ngicela ukuthi ngizocela ama colleagues wami azolanda uAmahle, and then wena fonela iambulance izokulanda. Hayi ngempela kube kanjalo, ngivele ngilungiselele uAmahle, afika ama colleagues amthathe uAmahle ahambe, mina ngisale sengiyageza, sengiyapheka ibag yami ukuthi hayi if esibhedlela bayangilalisa, at least I've got some few things. Hayi ngempela hayi kuloko esikhathi ngifonele ambulance, futhi ngathathi nesikhathi, but by then kwase kuwabo 11ish 12ish. Hayi ngempela ifika iambulance ngithathe, ngifike eNewcastle esibhedlela, hayi bangiphathe kahle, banginake, hayi bathi bayanginaka, hayi iBP ubhuti lo uparamedic makangena nami la makangifaka phakathi, because he was wayeyedwa anyway nalo driver. So masese iambulance ifika angisakwazi ukuphefumula, angisazazi nje nami, so yabuza siyini, ngithi bhuti angazi une BP, ngithi cha angikaze ngibe ne BP. Athi hayi mara mangichecka mani ikhuphuke kakhulu man. Vele makafika esibhedlela bathi bayangizama, ngizanywe like from midnight until midday, I would say. iBP ayehli. Mabaloko banginika ipilisi lokuthi iBP lokho ikhuphuka yona. And uyazi ukuthi the way kwakufani ngakhona, babethi mabathi kimi uyasibona, ngithi athi uyasibona isandla sami, ngithi athi lo sisi yazi I don't understand. iBP yakho ngendlela ehayi ngakhona nangendlela ongayo, because ubuke kungenalutho, but your BP ayikho right. Hayi bese kuthi ngabo 1 udoctor u1 lo PM lo afternoon, udoctor athi afike kimi athi sizamile man, iBP yakho ayihliki. Manje siyabona ukuthi besithi sisave ukuthi umntwana lo akhule. Now ngenxa yokuthi iBP yakho ayehli, sibona ukuthi hayi masimkhiphe lo mntwana nizokwazi ukuphila nalomntwana. Ngangu 32 weeks. Hayi ngempela ke yenziwe ke isiza, aphume umntwana, azalwe ke usizo, hayi usizo alright. Lento yenzeka ke manje on a Thursday yi28 zaka January 2010. Okay, hayi vele mabaqeda ukungikhipha ke la mangiqeda ukudeliver umntwana etheater, bangithathe bangise ICU that Thursday afternoon and Friday ishift mayifika yantambama, udoctor athi bangikhiphe bangibuyisele bangise ku normal ward, sengi right. Hayi sengingcono ngikahle ke. Okay, but angikho mnandi vele, angikho right, but kusho ukuthi angisekho critical phela manje, ngithi okay fine kulungileke. On Saturday afika udoctor, sekaya discharge phela udoctor. Makafika udoctor discharge, afike kimi beng discharge. So now phela njengoba ngila isibhedlela phela manje sengiface ireality ethi I've lost 2 businesses. I don't know manje ukuthi ngizoyenzani, ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi lento engicabanga ukuthi ngibalekele emuva nayi yiyo le, because actually what was happening nene business yasekhaya phela, ibusiness yasekhaya yamatende Thabani sasisebenza ekhaya, like business my father that he ran from 1990 wayekumsebenzi, saphila ngayo, yangise esikolweni, yenza zonke izidingo zekhaya ekhaya siphila ngayo. Si very busy, but nayo yayiseqala ukungasenzeki. Yabona, so uyabona ukuthi kwakune spirit nyana nje esingekho right. Excuse me.
No problem.
So okay, now ngi miserable Thabani. Sengu mother of 2 now, who has lost 2 businesses. Ngifeel very miserable. Angaze phela ngibe kule state engizibona ngikuso. I don't have moral support. Now ngithula ngizibona ngifa la. And ngizibona ngizoyithatha lempilo myself. But kufike enye into Thabani ethi, you know, thina ngesikhathi esikhule ngaso, it was TV and newspapers. And I grew up being a newspaper person. Ngangumntwana othanda ukuthenga iphepha, amagazine. I would read itori, and even nase read mina ke TV angithandi namanje, I don't watch TV. my TV has became lama YouTube because kunezinto eziphathekayo but angibukele enye into nje ngeke ungithole nje ngihlele ngibukele iTV mina. So now mawuloko ufunda ngangiloko ngizwa kuthiwa mawufunde kunomuntu oyibulele kuthiwa abantu bayanxuswa ukuthi uma bebasezimeni ezingabaphathi kahle bafanele bathinta abezenhlala kahle.
Okay.
Now abezenhlala kahle ama social worker. Now sesifundile ke siyazi ukuthi ne psychologist iyangena la. So udoctor ke makafika it was a she doctor. Mase kafika kimi ke ngithi sis doctor mina ngicela ungangidischarge angikho right emotionally ngicela ukuthi ning organizele I social worker or I psychologist.
Yeah.
Udoctor azange ngihluphe futhi zange ngibuza ukuthi why. What okay. What ayikho inkinga labantu abafunayo wena abantu bange Monday to Friday. So abekho namhlanje. Kusho ukuthi bazokubona nini? Monday. Okay. Hayi akunandaba ke. Uzohlala ke. Sokudischarge ke mase sobonene nabo. Hayi kwamampela ke Thabani that was Saturday Sunday. So Sunday ekseni maybe ngabo 11 usister ewodini athi kimzama wena ufikela isibhedlela uyi-emergency and asinayo ifile ngoba ngathi ubungahamba ikliniki ngithi mina bengihamba igayini udokotela lapha eNewcastle athi ya manje ke awuna file nathi la so ngizocela ukuthi uhambe uye eHIV clinic uyenze HIV test because asikwazi ukukhulula singazi istatus sakho for lengane. Okay. Hayi angicelele omunye usisi labo sisi laba benzela abantu i-certificates zase home affairs. Hayi kwangempela ke sisangikhaphe ke ayongidropa ke eLuntuzeni eHIV clinic. Mangena nje eminyango eHIV clinic Thabani ngivele ngikhale. Ngikhale ngingakakhulumi no counselor. Ucounselor avela ngihage angithatha ayongihlalisa phansi. Athi yini ngithi yo angazi ukuthi impilo yami mina ngiyoyilungisa kanjani. Kwenzekeni ngirelate ke njoba ngirelate kuwe. Athi hawu bakithi manje uphi ubaba wabantwana bakho? Ngithi ukhona. Athi manje uyazi ukuthi uthole lo mntana omncane manje awukho right ngithi cha ake angumtshelanga. Athi kimi ngicela ukuthi simfonele ngithi ayisisi ngicela singamfoneli. Athi hayi uyazi ukuthi masimfonela phela simfoneleli wena simfoneleli ukuthi sicela nje akuphi support while you are going through this now for the child. Ngithi cha ngicela ungamfoneli. Awusisa insist. Manje uyabona ukuthi vele ngoba ukulesimo when you go to people for help kunezinto angeke ulokuwale forever phela ngoba manje bazogcina bangasayi ukwazi ubugenuine balesimo thuna ukuso. So now I had to end up ngimuphi number. Hayi avela athi hayi ngizovela ngifone ngale ucingo lwami. Avela phone vele phambi kwami afone Mr. Soren so uwe loyo yebo. Umuntu onjenje uzama ngwenya yebo uyamazi yebo ngiyamazi ayi uzama ula isibhedlela eNewcastle akekho right kodwa umntwana uright uthola umntwana omfana bengicela umfonele abantu uzomuphi support angithi Sunday okay hayi impendulo ngale ithi okay ngizomfonela okay fine mina vele Thabani angiexpectanga ukufonela so I'm fine angilindanga nale call anginandaba nayo futhi ke kahle okay fine. How sengibuyele wodini ongithathe ke HIV test ngibuyelele wodini ke okay seku right ke Monday morning ulady afike ulady ufika kimi odini uyazi introducer uthole ireport inote actually ukuthi kune patient edinga usizo okay hayi ke athi kimi angibuza athi ufuna ukuthi sixoxe la ehodini noma ufuna siye officeini ngithi hayi ngicela ukuthi siye officeini naye ngithatha ngise officeini lakhe hayi ngifike ngimxoxele ke ukuthi kwenzakaleni abesangibuza ukuthi manje njengoba ukhuluma kanje ufuna ukusizwa kanjani ngithi no uyazi ngoba ngisuicidal bengifisa ngathi ngaba kwi space la ngaba nabanye abantu engizohlala khona a neutral space la ngizohlala khona ngiqoqe
Yeah.
ngibe nalabantwana bami until uyazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi phela ngithi uma miserable ucabanga ukuthi it's the end of the world kahle kahle but makuloko kuhamba amalanga kuhamba isikhathi uyabona ukuthi man lento ayikho ngalendlela engiyengayithatha ngakhona kahle hle ngizophila la I'm going to do 1 2 3 yabo so ngangifuna ispace esasizongialawa leyo nto leyo abesethi kimi la eNewcastle asinazo thina indawo ezinjalo thina sinendawo ama places of safety la ukuthi umama nobaba makune abuse sithatha umama simbeke somewhere sithatha ingane sizibeke somewhere bese kuthi mase ku right umama abuye nabantwana leyo ifunayo ukuthi ngathi kusekhaya cha ngeke yenzeke abese yangibuza ke athi kimi manje wena njengoba ula igoal ufike kanjani la eNewcastle ngoba uthi uvele eGoli hayi ngimchazela athi manje ziphi ke lezihlobo zakho lezi ozenze la eNewcastle ngithi hayi zikhona kodwa manje phela ngiyabacabangela phela remember ukuthi these people are not my like blood family one now even if that was the case senginabantwana abayi2 bam ngimiserable now uyabona mawune depression awufuni ukuhlusha ufuna ukuthi uwenze into ngalendlela ofuna ngayo mangifuna ukulala ngizobe ngifuna ukulala mangifuna ukuvuka ngizobe ngifuna ukuvuka wena mangihleli kwakho uzofuna phela ukuthi mangishanyele mangipheke ngenze and there's nothing wrong about that but mina kulesimo engikuso manje ngifuna ukudila nalento engibhekane naye so that's why ngithi ngifuna i-neutral space abesethi kimi yazi ukuthi yini angibuza athi uhlalaphi ngithi hayi mina nginendawo ukuhlala la eMajuba ngaseMajuba Mall nginayo indawo ukuhlala yami la ngihlala khona but angifuni ukubuyela nalabantwana ngingababulala labantwana ngendlela engizizwa ukuthi ngimiserable ngakhona angayenza okungekho right and I don't think ukuthi kuzabe kufe phela abantwana ayikho into errong abayenzile yimi engibalethela emhlabeni so I cannot do harm kubo yabona athi kimi okay mamela ngizoya kwaSara ngiyotshela athi let me see what I can do washo kanjalo okay hayi kwamampela angithi Monday ahambe abuye ngayo le Monday athi kimi ubaba wabantwana bakho umfonele ngithi no ubaba wabantwana bami ufonele uXoli lo wase HIV clinic athi ungiphile inamba kababa wabantwana bakho ngithi mina ngicela ungamfoneli labo bantu bazongihlukumeza bakhohlakele ngisho nje kanjalo ngithi bakhohlakele abantu baleyo family so ngicela ukuthi ke manje ungasamfoneli ke wena angithi yena uba umfonile so wena ungabe usafona ke lo muntu angithi uyazi ukuthi ngisesimene esinjani so ungasafoni ke wena okay how kuthi ekseni Tuesday ke manje angithi yonke kwenzeka yonke lento la isibhedlela nginosizo angithi ubaby esibhedlela uAmahle solo kahambe naye usisi lo uSqueezer wami lo ohlala emadadeni angithi now lo sisi ke so the social worker lady angibuze ngefamily yami yaseNewcastle ngicine sengumupha nephone number kasisi phela ukuthi hayi sisi ukhona la epolice station ungaya kuye namanje noma ungamfoneli ungavela uhambe epolice station zomthola ukhona ungenile emsebenzini okay hayi ayeke kuye vele baze bakhulume lo lapha kaSara bamtshele kwenye indawo engogo ukuthi hayi uzama ngamgcina ngoba uthi ngeke ahlala isikhathi eside so usocial worker abese atshela lo yasisi ukuthi Tuesday mawuze emsebenzini uze noAmahle hayi kwamampela vele aze noAmahle ke okay how afike kimi ngabo 10 usocial worker athi uSara ngizonilanda siye kaSara and njengoba nginilanda siya kaSara kanje uSara uthi uzokugcina ngimtshela ukuthi ngeke uhlale isikhathi eside noma singakhuluma ukuthi how many days mara uthi ngakugcina ngoba ngeke uhlale forever okay ngizofika athi khona manje imoto ayikho icolleague yami enye ihambile ngemoto makabuya ngithatha nina ngiyanihambisa hayi kwamampela vele afike ngabo 2 sithatha noAmahle so makasithatha la esibhedlela ngithi kuye mina ngicela ukuthi siyodlula endlini kimi
Okay.
ngiyothatha impahla zami ngithi nezika amahle phela ngithi zakasara nanokuthi naye yabona ukuthi lento engisho ukuthi indawo yokuhlala ikhona ayibone phela ukuthi ikhona ngikhuluma into engekho hayi vele sihambe sifike ngivule ngeremote hayi ngithatha izinto yithi labaya sihambe sifike kwaSara sihlale iTuesday right sihlale Tuesday ngaleso sikhathi ukuhamba nje imission because ibhlungu isiza so iTuesday iWednesday Thursday mangivuka hayi ngivuke ngathi hayi kungcono man hayi ngingcono namhlanje ngithi ngiyasukuma nyama hayi kumeke ngiye bathroom hayi ngicina ngigeze ebhavini ke Thursday because really ngendlela uyabona ukuthi ngaba ngcono ngalendlela ukuthi angithi manje wonke lamalanga babeloko bengilethela isitsha sokugeza because kwakunzima ukuhamba hayi Thursday ngithi hayi ngiyasigezela namhlanje Sara ngiright hayi ngene ebhavini ngigeze ngiright hayi mangiqeda lapho bese ngithi kuSara ayi Sara namhlanje ngathi ngcono yazi yabona ngathi nalo kuyakuba overwhelmed ngathi sekwehlile sengcono man yebo isolution kodwa ngakabi nayo phela kodwa ngcono okay right yimi lo ya ngithi kuSara ayi namhlanje ngicela ke ukuthi ngiyahamba so now sasixoxile phela besiloko sixoxa ngithi kuwola ngawo wonke lamalanga phela uyaxoxa ngithi nabantu so uSara ngimtshelile ke ukuthi ngihlala eHutton Heights abesethi uSara ke umama womlungu owayegcine izingane lezi abantu zala abazilahlayo abanakekeleke bla 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 so kodwa uhlala nomndeni wakhe la kule small holding farm uhlala nendodana yakhe and the 3 grandkids and the assistant ke nabo bonke laba abanye ke abozama ke abanye okay fine ke abese ngibese ngithi ke ngicela ukuthi ke mawuhamba namhlanje uzasiphi lift ke sesiyahamba athi no angeke ngikuphe ilift I cannot let you go with these kids without ukukhuluma ne-social worker yakho wena ungahamba ubashiye labantwana uyabona leso sikhathi Thabani uyabona njengoba bengisho ukuthi yabona mawu vulnerable I'm sure nekhanda vele ngoba angithi ngangifune i-psychosocial support nje ngoba ngangizibona ukuthi my thinking really was not kahle so ngaleso sikhathi uSara makathi mangishiya abantwana angizange ngabona into wrong kahle ngafila ukuthi hayi ngiyobe ngibashiya ku safe space now iagreement ukuthi mangihambe ngiye endlini njoba ngithi ngifuna ukuhamba ngilande imoto bese ngibuya nayo ngizothatha abantwana but now mina I didn't have a private car mina phela ngithi ngusoma business mina bengiphila ngamavan so I had a Mazda Drifter these big ones so single cab so vele mangibuyela kaSara angikwazi futhi ukubuyela ngedwa asho naye angibuza imoto enjani imchazela athi no but when you come back it means you must come with someone who's gonna help you carry the baby usho usiza ngithi usiza ubaby okay no it's fine again now njengoba mina ngila eNewcastle munye umndeni engwaziyo phela yilo ngifikele kuwa ngithi okay Thursday ke Sara ngithatha yongidrop eflatini maka ngidropa ngingene ngifike ngifonele usisi omunye okhonza nalabantu lehlobo zami zakangweni why ngifonela yena ngoba yena usebenza la edrobheni uhlala lapha emakhishini wenza ama sleep in so mangicele yena ukuthi angikhaphe ngiyolanda umntwana kuzoba lula because angihlala la so masibuya kaSara kuba kuye ukuthi ulala la kimi noma uyahamba endaweni yakhe hayi ngimfonele ibe into yokuthi ngifona vele sekulate nyana but ngimfonela asho ukuthi hayi zaba ngozongilanda ngikaShoprite lo sedrobheni eNewcastle kwaba nabo Shoprite abayi2 phela kwakukhona ongathi wayengaserenkini and then kwakukhona omunye wayephakathi kwenye shopping complex nyana so ngihambe ke ngiyomlanda ke hayi mangiphuma lapho naye hayi sihlangane nomunye usisi sixoxe isikhathi siyahamba phela hayi mase sesihlukana la sekwabo past 5:15 hayi bese bona bathi hayi manzama sekulate kakhulu man why ungathi namhlanje ungayi kuyolanda abantwana kaSara ngoba ubabonile ngithi ubagcine today bese uvuka kusasa ekseni ngoba kaSara ngithi phela sasingakabi nama GPS and kwakungasindawo engangijwayele uyabona mina driving back going to Sara kwakuzoba indawo efanele ngifuna ukuthi konje ngibekise ngani ukuthi manje ama indicate ukuthi ngiyangena uyabona than doing this thing emini okay basibuyele endlini yami ke silale nosisi kuseke ekseni hamba emsebenzini mina ngivuke ngigeze ngiyaphina ngiyakuleza ihlobo zami zaselokishini emadadeni mangifika usisi ngimthole ubuya ku night shift hayi ngimcele ngisisi yazini bengicela ukuthi ungikhaphe ngiyolanda abantwana uyazi vele ukuthi abantwana ngithi uyazi ukuthi sikuphi vele okay abesethi kimi amanizama ngikhathele namhlanje ngibuya ku night shift ngicela ukuthi sihambe kusasa makathi kusasa usho Saturday angithi mina abantwana bagcine Thursday so mangiza kuye yena uthi sizohamba Saturday okay bye so now fortunately ngangine a time so Thursday ntambama before ngilala uSara ngimfonela ngamtshela ukuthi ngizoza Friday now maka ngipostpone athi Saturday Friday ntambama vele ngiyamfonela uSara ngithi hayi sofika Saturday and nami thabantu to be very honest ngisase right ukuthi angakabi worried kakhulu ukuthi nalabantwana or the lady uSara ucabanga ukuthi ngilahla abantwana because ngiya communicate ngithi and enye into I think eyangenza ukuthi ngibe at easy nyana nganginga breastfeed
okay
ibislam lalitefile nje lalingekho so kwakungakho lento ukuthi hey umntwana ibisi and so on so kwakunaleyo nto nje ukuthi hayi umntana amudla ibhodlela uamahleke waye ngasumntana ohluphayo nje so ngiyazi ukuthi akana stress maybe for these few days yabona uyazi uzongibona ngizobuya how Saturday uyabona Friday Thabani ngangi-understandile ubuya ku night shift Saturday avuke akhipha washini athi uyawash ngimbuze kodwa ukuthi manje njengoba uzowasha ubona ukuthi sizohamba athi sizohamba ngithi awasha qede maqeda ukwasha athi ayena ukhathele ngcono sihambe kusasa makuphuma isonto bakhonzele ejardini lapho so egcekeni lapho so mabaceda ukukhonza Sunday so ngiloko ngiyafona futhi Saturday ngenza same thing Sunday makuphuma isonto sesiyahamba athi hayi mina ngiyapheka hayi yabo Sunday ngangigula ke Thabani ngagula shem hayi ngagula ngathi abantwana bamphela amaningi manje lamalanga so amaningi kakhulu manje umuntu futhi engimcabangela kakhulu yilo ngaziyo phela usiza usana ngithi wathola ibhodlela washintsha inephi uyalala lo yakahluphi na umuntu manje nginewari ukuthi umntana mamsho manje uyabuza ukuthi kanti manje lo muntu wahamba and then kwenzakalani Sunday ntambama ngifone futhi ngifonela Sara abantwana bami athi hayi bakhona ba right umfana athi hayi umfana right sibuye esontweni uwisile nenkaba right untombazana athi hayi ukhona ngithi ngicela ukukhuluma naye athi hayi ukude ngeke ukwazi ukukhuluma naye he's too far hayi okay right okay hey mara ngingabi right manje umntana mphela ngifuna at least ngifuna izwi lami yabona elimhatshora ukuthi angizokubona kusasa hayi futhi uSara uyabona mangithi ngicela ukukhuluma no amahle akathanga ngicela ubambe kancane ngibuze or ngithuma umntwana yommemeza wavele washo la on the spot ukuthi uamahle I mean njengoba sila how do you know ukuthi the guy ophumela uphi manje because for you to know that is to say hold on and open the door and go outside and call or ask
yes
okay fine akunandaba ke hayi ngakhuluma ingeno amahle ngilale Sunday kanti unfortunately it was my last day yokuba ne-airtime anginamali phela kubhedile njengoba ngithi impilo ibhedile I don't even have money so I don't have money okay hayi manje ekseni ngivuke ngigeza siyahamba athi yebo uyabona ukuthi lo muntu wonke lamalanga akavuki yena geza uvuka ihlalele ugeza amasekathi asahambi bese ayageza enze the same thing na Monday bese ngithi kwesisi i-airtime yami iphelile bengicela ukuthi ungithengele i-airtime ye-R12 yaka Vodacom ngizofonela lo mlungu amsho sekayasho ukuthi hayi cha ngibalahlile phela abantwana athi kimi angeke ngikuthengele i-airtime angithi kusasa siyaya usho Tuesday siyaya kusasa ungamfoneli namhlanje angithi ukhulumile naye Sunday oh okay alright hayi Sunday Tuesday ekseni ngivuke futhi ngigesi yabona ke Tuesday ngivuke ngihambe ngiyostata nemoto ke manje phela ngiyabona namhlanje siyahamba phela ngize ngimcele ukuthi njoba kubhedene business ifanele sihambe sekuba bukhumalo lapha ya eNewcastle kunendawo abakubiza ukuthi kuse Barreni kwakuthiwa kwakuyibrewery kudala kuthengiswa utshwala so ubaba Khumalo kusho ukuthi he was a previous employer ngathi wenza deal so now I was owning that place athengisa utshwala lapho
okay
so ngangiqhashe lapho osizweni mangivula ibakery ngangirunela phakathi kwalewe la kalo baba lo
okay
so ngimcelile kusisi ukuthi njengoba sizosuka la siyolanda abantwana siyoqala kuba Khumalo ngimtshela ukuthi baba mina into ziyabheda vele ngicela ukuthi ngihambe uyabona and then ngathi siyoqala kuba Khumalo masisuka kuba Khumalo bese sihamba siyolanda abantwana hayi ke how sisahleli kanjalo ngabo 11 thabani ingeni phone sihleli ekitchen usisi lo wayesase nomama wakhe omzalayo so kwakuyimi kumama wakhe naye so bathathu sihleli la ekitchen kukhala phone makukhala phone asukume aphakame ngagcina nje ngimangizwa athi nginogogo nozama uyenzani manje she's going out of the kitchen uphumela ngaphandle ikhishi lakhe laliphakeme ile makhishane yama-tube lezi zo ama-steps so uphumela ngaphandle ayaphuma ahamba ye ngaphandle makaphumela ngaphandle akhulume mhlambe 5-7-8 minutes abuye athi hayi sengiyageza ngithi sesiyahamba athi hayi ngihambi nawe ngihamba ngedwa ngiya edrobheni khona into engisafuna ukuyilungisa oh okay abantwana sisi athi abantwana sobabona masibuyi ngithi okay ngicela ngipheke 12 rand ke ngifonela usara athi nguniki ithi ngihambe ngibuye ahambe ngempela kuthi mazithi 3 njengoba ngithi ngo radio person
yes
kwakune story lapha eradioini saka Mandende ngangithanda ukuthela leso story so makuphela istory ngimcall back
yes
angifonele vele back very soon very quick phone ke usisi mina hayibo sisi abantwana bami athi hayi ngiyeza khona manje afike lapha yangabo 5 uhamba nomyeni wakhe no mama abakhonza naye na herself so bayi3 bafike endlini ke ngihlele dining room ke ubhuti lo wami wakangwenya angene abulise athe sesihamba ngeindaba ezingekho mnandi ene mina angicabangi nanokuthi le ndaba ezingekho mnandi zithinta mina yazi jokingly song ngithi mina hayibo kushone bani abesethi mama kaSibo khuluma usho kusisi lo ya squeezer wami lo ya so lo sisomunye yilo abakhonza naye
okay
abaze naye from it lo yengengayolala naye endlini yes uye lo abeza naye manje la bathathu labantu hayi hlale phansi abesethi ke usisi hayi la bekunabantwana bakho kushile isidumbu sika Amahle sishile saba umlotha angeke size sitholakale manje ke mina ke uNkulunkulu ungenze very wrong Thabani mina ngibona labantu abathi mabezindaba ezithusayo ngikhale ngimemeze angenzi lutho ngiboka uzama nje uyabona makasho kanjalo ngithi kuye manje uphi umfana usizwa ngithi athi umfana ukhona usesibhedlela kodwa isidumbu sika Amahle sishe saba umlotha angeke uzusithole mina ke njengoba ngisho enye into esuke ingenze ngingakhali ngibe nalento ukuthi sihlala vele sizizwe izinto ezibhlungu and vele zisuke naleso sikhathi sivelele abantu so lento ukuthi ube nedrama angisho ukuthi abantu bangakhali but ngibe nalento ukuthi lento kumemeza nani usuke ungekushintsha isimo to be very honest yes ungakhala but I'm not a dramatic person ke bese ngithi kubo bengicela ukuthi ningikhaphe esibhedlela abesethi ubhuti wami makasibo ngicela nihambe mina angisanikhaphi nizahamba ngeHyundai iHyundai le itruck yakhe la isebenzisayo hayi ngempela sigibele kuleyo truck mosivele inkulu hayi sanele kahle yithi laba sesibhedlela uyabona nje obasihamba sesibhedlela ngizilungiselela ukuthi if uAmahle ushile waba umlotha isidumo sakhe ngeke sitholakale kusho ukuthi uSizo una 3rd degree burns phela uSizo couldn't save bekangeka if uSizo phela was a baby so surely akakwazanga ukuzisave ngithi yena so yena kusho ukuthi vele nje half of the age that Amahle is okay hayi sifike esibhedlela usisi singene hayi lapho ke akasekho ke yena sekaselele emuva sengizingenela ngedwa uyangitshela ukuthi hayi jika la uzababona bahleli lapha ama victim wale fire okay hayi ngihambe ngene awu mangena mangiqhamuka nje yabona lento ukuthi mawuqhamuka at a distance where people could say now uyaloya muntu ingane zize abo 5 6 7 baze bagijima mama ka Amahle shawaba umlotha mama ka Amahle shawaba umlotha yibo hawo mina mangithi kubo kwenzakaleni omunye usisi la emva kwami athi hayi bayeke baphethwe itrauma ngithi mara makuyitrauma abantu benkosi labantwana phela bagijimile bazongitshela lento le ukuthi umntana mushe waba umlotha so they must continue phela nale story abangitshela sona ngoba it looks like ngathi akekho naye professional person to deliver this news to me ngideliverwa yilabantwana hayi ngibayeka abantwana hayi ngicele iward ke ngisho ukuthi hayi ngicela ewardini labantwana kuphi bangilayele hayi ngifike ngithola usister hayi sister ngizocela ukubona umntwana athi muphi umntwana ngithi hayi umntwana lo baby athi lo lahlwe umamakhe ngithi angazi kodwa ukuthi yiyo lo yolahliwe mara kunomntana omncane womfana la kulabantu abavele ngoko athi uwe lo lahla abantwana hayi Thabani ngingasiphenduli leso statement ngoba ngisaza ngithi mina ukuthi sisukaphi hayi angivumele kodwa ubone ukuthi yabona indlela angibheka ngayo this woman una information yakhe la itholile hayi ngihambe bangiyalele lapha ya hawu mangifika ku incubator uSizo use incubatorni uSizo njoba se incubatorni unqunu nje bamkhiphe impahla ufake nje inepi and then uvalwe amehlo ngithola udoctor lapha uthi uSizo uye wa developer ijaundice so this jaundice ngiyayazi ngoba no Amahle ngimthole at 29 weeks so naye mangimthola during the process yakhe yokukhulela kwi-incubator why develop ijaundice so I was not scared I knew ukuthi okay nalo ukuthi is going through that because naye phela uyiprem his 32 weeks how uSizo akashanga I'm like hayibo manje uSizo akanamlilo mosakashanga nabo laba bangigijimisile akunamuntu oshile lapha ya Thabani so now manje uAmahle yena ushiya kanjani waba umlotha uSizo wasinda not because I was not appreciating ukusinda kaSizo but questionable ukuthi umuntu owayewusana owayegonwa was able to be saved without burns bese lo who could have ran for her life ngabuputshuke somewhere nje waphuma yena ushile hayi okay akunandaba ke uSizo ke ngaleso sikhathi akaseso uSizo ke usewu-Emmanuel ushintsha igama esontweni yesterday on Sunday angithi ngizule ngithe uSizo baye esontweni uSarah uThekim sihambe saye esontweni uSizo wakhumuka inkaba so lapho ke esontweni kulapho kuSizo ashintshe khona igama waba uEmmanuel angazi ke ngaziphi izizathu okay ayakunandaba ke ayisibuyele ke emuva kuphi endlini phela hayi makufika endlini angizange ngayicela ke imali airtime ngayithengelwa ke manje voluntary ngayinikwa iairtime though ngazi ukuthi after you could not give me airtime ngidinga ukukhuluma for abantwana bami usuyanginika manje I wonder manje ukuthi ngiyenzeni le time ngoba umntana makasekho okay it's fine ke akunandaba ke ngaleso sikhathi yonke leyo nto kwakuyinto enganginganandaba naye okay kulungile ke kufike ke kuthiwe ke faneke ke kuzo identify imizimba and so on and so forth isizoloku sibizwa hayi kwamampela zenziwe zonke lezo zinto umfundisi engangimazi waseNewcastle ngimxoxele bafike nomunye umama hayi umfundisi lo athi hayi mina ngamfonela ubaba umntwana ngimtshela ukuthi umntwana kwenzakaleni hayi ngempela mfonele hayi baba umntwana afike baba umntwana makafika excuse me the first Friday upathologist athi I'm still putting these bodies in order because now I'm also trying to find pictures ezizongenza ukuthi ngikwazi uku-identify labantu abashanga bonke umuntu oshile okwamanje engibonile isidumbe sisodwa but all these other bodies abantu laba baye bahishwa intuthu so they experience smoke inhalation so I'm busy doing that so ngizokwenza line by line until ngifika ke kuleyo body leyo ngoba phela mina angithi mina manje mangifika ku pathologist ngimtshela ukuthi mina batho wami umntwana ushe waba umlotha and isidumbu sakhe ngeke sitholakala yayizwa leyo nto so i statement sami leso so upathologist athi okay ke ngilindeke ngizokufonela this is the first Friday abesaya hamba ke ubaba walomntwana abuyele eJoburg ngisale mina kube the following week ipathologist ingibize Tuesday ithi kimi ngiwutholile ke lo mzimba ushoyo yini into ongangitshela yona ngamazinyo kaAmahle ayi ngimtshela awathatha isithombe angibize Wednesday angibize Wednesday yemini angihambe ngiye forensic mangifika lapha angibonisa isithombe ngisibone lesithombe bese ngithi ke yes doctor lamazinyo ukuthi phela ngoba manje sekushile kwenzekeni yes awaka Amahle but ngibona lo mgodi lo lo mgodi uAmahle akazange abe nezinyo elinomgodi athi it might be the fire yeyizwa le nto leyo ngithi hayi ke mawusho kanjalo ke kusho ukuthi uAmahle hayi ipathologist yenza iform lokwenza i-death certificate hayi kwamampela i-home affairs yenza i-death certificate hayi ngiya communicate again social development wonke umuntu hayi Amahle uzongcwatshwa Friday fonela nobaba wakhona ngiyamtshela Amahle uzongcwatshwa Friday okay fine a man who has never supported this child who only bought uAmahle yabona lamafoni amancane lawa esidlalisa ngabantwana ama cellphone wabantwana into ayithenga voluntary empilweni yakhe iyo leyo namanepi ay12 na the smallest bottle of Nen those were the three things that father bought for uAmahle ngisahlala eJoburg but ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi lesikhathi kwenzeke lento kaAmahle mina ngangizibuza ukuthi le ndoda yaba generous kangaka ngemali yindaba lo muntu ngoba lo muntu mina ngimazanga namali but all of a sudden this man has got money
supportive man
okay fine ayakunandaba ke hayi kanti mina njengoba ngiceda ukuphuma ngi-identify lo yamntwana ifike ngifamily izo identify nayo hayi bona ke baphethe isithombe samntanabo now upathologist njengoba benza lama identification uthi for ukuthi ngikwazi ukucounter even the number of people that were in that house I heard that they went to church on Sunday. I asked the church people ukuthi bangi-emailele the pictures. Now, what puzzles me, Zam, uAmahle akekho ithombeni the Sunday. uAmahle akekho la in these pictures akekho. Ne? Now, if family leke lefike emva kwami lo mgodi lo ngibuze ngawo ukhona kulomntwana udoctor angikhiphela isithombe sasesontweni angikhiphela icopy yalapho yefamily lefikile now lo mgodi usendaweni eyiwana saphila namanje njengoba ashonile na umgodi athi so from these pictures kuvelile ukuthi that was not Amahle, it was this other child.
Yabo nje indaba yethu la kuhlupha isikhathi ilokhu ngiyasibuka isikhathi sethi sesibaleka kangaka kanti indaba yethu ilokhu isaqhubeka. Yes,
ngiselele isikhathi esingakanani so that ngizokwazi ukuya kuma important points now.
It's 5 minutes mom.
Iselele 5 minutes. But in summary kuyo yonke lento eyenzeka Thabani ukuthi kwavela ukuthi i-social work la fonela ubaba abantwana bami benza i-deal because ubaba abantwana bami makufanele udoctor ke manje angithi lesa sidumbu sesithole ifamily but udoctor offered to do what i-DNA before the burial of this child. The father of my kids wathi ngenziwe i-DNA ngathi sambeke sesangomeni siyobhula wathi no I'm not going there. Mase sengethera information yonke as years go kwabonakala ukuthi social worker yakhuluma nobaba ubaba wathi lethana umntwana. The sister-in-law njengoba ngidelaya the reason was baqeda i-deal ababeyenza and that's the reason today we don't have Amahle. But ubuhle bukaNkulunkulu as you were praying and as we know some of us because not all of us believe ukuthi wangigetherela uNkulunkulu i-information ngihleli nje la icase yami iphethe umkhwanazi as we speak. That's number one. And i-experience engiyengaba nayo has led ukuthi in 2 weeks from now I'm launching a podcast yokusiza abomama abalahlekelwa abantwana. Because ngibonile i-injustice ekwazi ukwenziwa amaphoyisa nabantu baka government when they are in authority. Masi go through difficult times sikhala kubo, it's time for them to make money. Which is what I've experienced. You know, ngangihlale ngisho ngithi nje at least uSenzo because he was a well-known figure of the community. At least South Africa isupportile ifamily yakubo. Mina for the past 15 years I have to be sent from pillar to post from the nation from KZN office to the national office of this country. Amaphoyisa wonke uzoqala bangathi uyasebenza somewhere along the line uzokwenzela into ongazazi.
Ubelahleka isikhathi singakanani?
It's 15 years.
15 years.
Amahle is 19 where she is.
Like ephila phi kule minyaka?
Uphila la ephila khona ama investigations wami angikhomba the side of the father but because angimtholanga I cannot, but kunengi okwenzekile ne-statement lokuzithola ukuthi hayi umntwana ukhona umntwana uyaphila.
No, but I think we'll have to make more time angazi so arrange ukuze story sethu singasikhathi.
Oh, okay.
Sislande from la siqale khona those sesiqalile la siqale
khona. Yes,
but sikwazi ukuthi sisiqhubeze simenze uphathi waso.
Okay.
Njalo but ngenxa ukuthi le facility esisebenzisa la isikhathi sakhona si limited.
Yes, true.
But nje I would like us to arrange sizoyiqhubeza ukuze abantu ngiyazi ukuthi bazomdinga uphathi 2.
Siphelele kuphi? Yes, nami I would appreciate that. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngale second week ya August mhlawumbe sizokhuluma mina nawe and then sizobona but I'm more than willing to come vele ngizobapha upart 2.
Okay.
Yes, nokuthi nje bagcine bazi ukuthi the podcast will be starting because ngibonile ukuthi uma like ngizasho ngithi uNkulunkulu ngiphe i-strength wangenza ngaba strong ukuthi kule pain ngikwazi ukulwa. And some people when they are going through these situations bayakhala and because asifani vele umuntu vele usimara kuleyo depression nasekungasizweni amaphoyisa and I'm telling you I've experienced what the Senzo Meyiwa family has experienced mina ke alone for 15 years.
Yeah ne hayi mama siyabonga kakhulu. Isikhathi sethu sesiphelile khona la. Bazalwane bami Siyabonga kakhulu will arrange esinye isikhathi kanye naye umama. Mhlawumbe nabadinga bakuthola kanjani mama?
Mabangidinga bangangithola ku-076
Yes.
895
Yes.
3408 uma ngabe ngoba manje ngifuna ukwenza ne-support group abomama abalahlekelwa abantwana abanama question mark ukuthi kahle hle what happened to my mother because I don't have closure. I've got a team engihlanganisile sizosebenzela ukuthi sisize uku-reunite kids with their mothers.
Okay.
Ukuthi mina ngoba uNkulunkulu sekazongisiza, I'll soon be having closure ngisize nabanye abomama nabanye abantwana. Because I know the pain yokungabi nomntana akho la ekhona and abomama they've got pains there. They want their kids, abantwana they want their mothers because wherever Amahle is nayo uyazibuza ukuthi what exactly happened to my mother. And part 2 zokutshela ukuthi what does Amahle know about me. Thank you. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu bazalwane bami. uNkulunkulu akanibusise ke. Sicela ukuthi siyibambe la for today. Sibonane kwi-episode yethu elandelayo. God bless you. Hayi mama, sithi story sakho we need to arrange.
Ngishilo